This is how you're gonna replace the Fexlite program. Please ignore those error message because I'm using my own laptop. There's no digital scale or barcode scanner connected. The first thing you want to do is close this Fexlite program, and then find your downloaded fexlite.zip file and open up another window. Navigate to C drive, seek and Fexlite. The next thing is to drag this Fexlite from the zip file. Drag it and merge with the existing Fexlite. The system will check if there's a repeated file and ask you, do you want to replace shortly? Okay, replace file in the destination. Now we are good to go. Just double click the shortcut on the desktop. And the program is replaced by the latest version. Thank you.